As a swing trader, if you're looking for opportunities for swing trading, you can make money using 4% on dollar breakout. The process which you should follow is, if you're active full-time trader, you should be able to look at these setups as and when they are forming. So it's just now it's 10:40, so let's look at, like, this is 4% breakout. In 4% breakout, we are looking at stock which is up 4%. Volume is greater than yesterday's volume. Volume is greater than 100%. And what you're looking for in terms of the criteria as for a good breakout are basically three lynch, which is the stock should not be up 3 days in a row. It should have a linear move. It should be probably a young trend, so that means it's not an extended setup. No 4% breakdown during the consolidation, orderly consolidation, and closes near the high. So those three lynch are the things which you should know very well. Obviously, I know them because I created this method, but you should know them. You should not be at 10 o'clock looking up, oh, what should I be doing now? Okay. Now, so let's look at, you have 17 stocks here in 4% breakout, and we'll look at for the dollar breakout also. In the dollar breakout, we have as of now 82 stocks. So some stocks will be common. So as a result, what I'll do is I have this working watch list which is blank currently. So I'm going to copy these from both dollar breakout and 4% breakout. That way you're not duplicating the effort. So you have now these stocks which are basically 96 stocks, from which we are looking for stock which meets our three lynch criteria. So obviously I sorted it by dollar because the one which is this gap top going down, so that way you can eliminate many of these ones, and also the one which are up only 7 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents kinds. So we keep going till we find good setup. Now, is this a good setup? This is a very low price stock, something which I'm not going to look at, but so till we find a good setup, now Teva would have been a good setup because stock was technically up 3 days in a row. This was a narrow range day, but a stock is not closing near the high. At one stage, this stock was up around $23, I think, or 23. Yeah, what's the high? 23.17. Now it started fading a little bit. So that's the negative on this particular stock. A lot of stocks in the morning they're up and then they can start fading because it can be an intraday fade, but this is a maybe kind of a setup now. Okay, but that's what you look for, first leg, sideways move, consolidation, breaking out. Now let's look at this energizer, but and it's this, I don't like this kind of a thing. It was also up yesterday, so see, this is a nice setup. The volume is very low here, but I see going sideways. Yesterday was a slightly and it was a narrow range day, breaking out, closing near the high. So this is definitely now, and look at it. It's up only 1.76%. I pointed this out much earlier, and when I pointed it out, I already bought at that stage. So my entry is even better. My entry is 86.80. So if your entry is so close and your stop is so close, the stop will be 85.45. So if your stop is at 85.45 and your entry is so close, then it just has to make 3-4% for you to make multiples of your R in terms of return. So that's the thing. So, and I wouldn't even put a stop at 85 or 5.45. I would put a stop at 86 and see what happens basically. So that's a good setup which you have now. So yeah, one idea so far after looking up these, and then you keep going and keep going till you find another idea. And some days you have lots of ideas where you're going crazy, you don't have enough capital to, and some days, so now this is another one, Momo. Okay, so this is a 3 days sideways from which it is breaking out. Stock is reasonably near high, a little bit fed. That's expected. You don't want you can expect a little bit fed. That was also pointed out by many people early, right at the beginning of the day on the timeline. So this. So we went through the 96 stocks And you have Teva, your ZTS, and Momo. And I would say that Momo and ZTS at the now Teva, because it has started fading a little bit, but it is still a good breakout if you got into it. Like my entry on Teva is 22.330. So that's like that time it wasn't showing up on basically on the 4% record. That time it was showing up on the trade ideas scanner. So this is the stocks which you can find by just doing 5-10 minutes of effort, and these are swing trade ideas. And even if you're swing trading, the earlier you can get it, better it is. Like if you got into Momo when it was up only $1, then you would be in profit already with another $1.28 or something like that. Or if you had this particular stock, if you entered like early morning when it showed up pretty early, then on a dollar breakout, you'd be still up like around 20-30 cents more from that particular thing. So that's how you find setups on the bullish side. Now if we can do the same thing very quickly on the bearish side. So there is a bearish watch list which is blank currently. I take all the dollar breakdowns from this, put it into the bearish working watch list. I take 4% bearish and copy all of them into bearish working watch list. And I want to see the one which are like the down the most. I don't really want to short low price stocks. So again, you're looking for something where it's just breaking down. A lot of setups are having actually a follow through currently from yesterday's breakdown. So let's look at if we can find a good setup. See, this light from this consolidation is breaking down here. There was a big drop on high volume. This volume was around 11 million. So this, and then it's tried to bounce and then it's failed. Hasn't, it's not really near low, but like you'll find that many often on charts, they don't really close near the low. So that's one which you have as a good setup on the short side as of now. Xilinx is not bad also. It may work closing near the low also. What else do you have? So this is a continuation short. This might work because weak structure. See, as I said yesterday, look for weak structure. This is like, and a stock was down. There was only 2 counter trend bounce. This was a 1-day counter trend bounce and it failed. So this can also be a good shot. And then I really don't look at all these low priced ones. So you have 2 ideas from here, 3 light. See, volume is very light on those things. You have Xilinx and you have CJ. So that's how you can find setups from 4% breakout and dollar breakout for swing also. But if you're a full-time trader, like an active trader, you should find this as early as possible. That means you should be doing this simultaneously with the other things which you're doing, anticipation and all. Because if you can get into a setup, like I got into ZTS very early, so I already have around $300 profit on 1,000 shares position, and Teva also I got in early, so I have around $550 profit on that. ZTS has more now. So that's how you can get into this. You need to be very clear as to what to look for in a 4% breakout and well organized for doing this daily. If you can do this daily, you'll find no shortage of swing trades and you can enter much earlier. You don't have to really wait for it to be confirmed as a breakout.